You've been told you have an Apple TV, and now you're wondering, great, what do I do with it? We're going to walk through what it does, when it's best to use it, and when it's best to not use it. So what will it do? Well, it's going to give you the ability to take iPads and Macs and walk around your room. So you can project wirelessly without being tethered to your computer. It also has a few built-in apps that you can use for media viewing, but most teachers use it to project wirelessly. When do you use the Apple TV? When you need to move around your room, when you want to project wirelessly, when you want students to connect their iPad to the projected screen, or if you want to use the built-in apps. So this does and doesn't replace directly connecting your computer to your projector with that little white dongle. So both will mirror your screen, but by directly connecting, it's easier to show video, the image is larger, the connection is more stable, and you would use it with Mimeo. Its main selling feature is that you don't have to be tethered. So any student can connect to the Apple TV, your Mac can, all iPads can. To get it up and running, there's a little remote that you would press any button on to make sure your Apple TV is turned on. There's a little white button on it, or a glowing button so that you know it's turned on. The source on your remote or your projector should be HDMI. This is the screen that gets displayed when you're ready to go. On your computer, you'd go up to this little toggle up at the top and go to screen mirroring. And then a list of Apple TVs come up. You're going to pick the one in your room or the one you choose to connect to. So we're picking that here. Your computer asks for a code and your Apple TV displays a code. You put the code into your computer and then you are connecting. Just like your regular connection, you have the ability to mirror your screen or create a separate display. When you do connect to the Apple TV, you're going to notice the image is smaller than if you're directly connecting. So you'll have to decide what works best for you. Sometimes it's trade-off between being able to move around the room and having a smaller image. So if I come back to the toggle and go to the screen mirroring settings, you will see I can change from using a built-in display to mirroring my display. To stop using the AirPlay on the Apple TV, you go back to the toggle, back in where you selected your Apple TV and click it again. So in other words, click the name of your classroom Apple TV and it will disconnect the mirroring. As always, if you have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to our team.